Alright, this is the continuation of the previous video. So tonight, we headed down to the hotel's restaurant, and it just us here. Feels like we have got the whole place to ourselves. We are trying out their nasi goreng. I ordered two portions, one for me and one for my cousin. Let's eat. We also stopped by the Tugu Monument in Yogyakarta. As usual, it's right at the heart of traffic. With four traffic lights, converging here is always busy. Look at these vehicles. We just chill for a bit and enjoy the chaos. Classic Jogja vibes. Alrighty, we have just arrived at the east gate of Yogyakarta station, and guess what? This time we are early. Wow, no rushing, no last minute sprints, just smooth and chilling. We are riding the same train as yesterday, the Joglos Market Road train. You can see it over there on the right side. That's our train. Let's go.
Mundur mas, mundur.
Okay, our train has just started moving, right on time at exactly 10:20 a.m. While we are rolling out, let's talk a bit about Yogyakarta Station, aka Stasiun Tugu. It's one of the busiest and most iconic railway stations in central Java. The station has two main entrances. The first one, the East Gate, mostly used for intercity train departures to places like Jakarta, Bandung, and Surabaya. That's where we boarded today. The second one is the South Gate, usually for commuter trains, local services, and mostly intercity arrivals. This entrance also connects directly to the Yogyakarta International Airport rail line. Super handy, huh? And here's a useful tip. Even if your train departs from the east side, you can still enter from the south gate. Don't worry, the two sides are linked by a clean, well-maintained internal tunnel, not a public underpass though, but an indoor walkway inside the station. So, whichever gate you use, you will easily get to the right platform. And honestly, the tunnel is kinda stylish. Well, definitely worth checking out at least once. But too bad we couldn't. Lemau.
dan kru yang bertugas mengucapkan selamat datang di kereta api Joglo Semarkerto dengan nomor KA 201 yang akan mengantar kita ke tujuan akhir stasiun Cilacap. Perjalanan kali ini menempuh jarak sekitar 174 km dalam waktu 3 jam 8 menit yang diperkirakan akan tiba di stasiun akhir Cilacap pada pukul 13 lebih.
Cara langsung atau melalui nomor telepon yang tertera di dinding kereta. Terima kasih atas kepercayaan. The Joglo Semarkerto train, which will take us to our final destination at Cilacap Station. This journey will take you about 3 hours and minutes. During the journey, we will also enjoy the beauty of nature and historical heritage of PT Kereta Api Indonesia, including Ijota. We remind you again that this is a smoke-free journey. Therefore, we kindly request you not to smoke in the toilets or on the bathrooms. Please check and double-check your belongings, ensuring nothing is left behind at the station. If there are any complaints and suggestions, kindly contact our studio listeners or call the number displayed on the train scroll. Thank you for your trust in us. Enjoy your safe and comfortable journey with PT Kereta Api Indonesia. The train's arrival. Thank you.
Miring-miring tapi mana?
Selamat siang pelanggan yang kami hormati. Sesaat lagi kereta api Joglo Semarkerto akan tiba di stasiun Wates. Periksa dan teliti kembali barang bawaan Anda. Jangan sampai ada yang tertinggal atau tertukar di dalam kereta. Pintu keluar berada di sebelah kiri dari kedatangan kereta api. Stasiun Wates.
Kita dekat itu loh. Ini kan aku pernah lihat pas iya. Coba. Nih lewat sini. Langsung ini. Badan.
Okay, mantaps. So we just arrived at Kutoarjo Station in Purworejo Regency, and yeah, I'm actually starting to feel kinda hungry now. I mean, earlier this morning I wasn't hungry at all. Probably because that nasi goreng from last night is still like dancing in my belly or something. Lemel. Oh, and speaking of that, the nasi goreng at the hotel, not bad. Honestly, it was like 12,000 rupiah, which is crazy cheap for a hotel restaurant. But yeah, no offense, my mom's nasi goreng still slaps harder, and you get way more of it too. The hotel I stayed at was also pretty solid for a budget trip. I think it was around 10 to 13 bucks per night. Not bad at all. To be honest, going to Jogja, whether it's for traveling or even a quick business trip, is super flexible. Like you can go full budget for high end and both work fine. The food is great, much of it's affordable, and yeah, the wonder people keep coming back here, especially during holidays. Oh, and I have not really eaten breakfast yet. I just had some biscuits earlier, but clearly that wasn't enough. So I ordered a cup of noodle, pop me, and now I'm just waiting for it to be ready. Alright, the train just started moving. Man, it's so peaceful in here. Not a lot of people in my car, and I love that. Traveling on a weekly really hits different. Fewer crowds, quiet atmosphere, I can just roam around peacefully without bumping into anyone. But yeah, unfortunately, that's not the case for a city like Yogyakarta. Doesn't matter if it's holiday season or not, there is always a lot of people. I mean, it makes sense though. It's a favorite spot for both locals and tourists. Super duper popular. Still, if I had to choose, I would go for somewhere quieter. That's more my vibe, my nigga. Oh damn. So we are currently stopped in the middle of nowhere, right on the bridge. Actually, I'm guessing we are just waiting for the green signal to enter the next station, cause we are really close now. So yeah. And yep, here we are, finally arrived at Kebumen station. On my left, I can see the Sawanggalih train, just kinda nostalgic because we have ridden that one before, back and forth between Kroya and Jakarta. Now, our train's gonna stop here for a bit longer, maybe around 10 to 15 minutes. That's because the Manahan train needs to pass through and overtake us. And wow, look at these people, just got off the Sawanggalih train here in Kebumen. Looks like it was pretty packed. And by the way, the final destination of the Sawanggalih train is Kutoarjo station. So yeah, one more stop and boom.
Kereta api Joglo Smartkerto akan disusul oleh kereta api Manahan di stasiun Gombong, dan rencana kereta api Joglo Smartkerto akan diberangkatkan kembali dari stasiun Gombong pada pukul 12:12 dan kami informasikan juga untuk tidak merokok di dalam kereta, di bordes dan di toilet. Jika kedapatan merokok akan kami turunkan di stasiun berikutnya. Terima kasih.
There you are, the Manahan just passed us. What's kind of funny is both the Manahan and Joglo-Sumarto trains depart from Yogyakarta. Oh, I just got my cup noodles. My me. Looks yummy. Wait, so where was I forgot. Alright, both trains leave from Yogyakarta, but our train actually departs first. Then, about 20 minutes later, the Manahan follows. But yeah, Manahan is an executive train that flies at 120 kilometers per hour, while our good old Julius Markto is just casually running at 100 kilometers per hour. So no surprise, at some point they are gonna zoom past us like, excuse me. Well, guess we are in a slow lane today. Alright, we are at Sumpio station now. And on our left, there is another Joglo Sumarketo train from another mother, of course. Hmm.
Keselamatan Anda dilarang membuka pintu kereta sebelum kereta api berhenti dengan sempurna. Terima kasih atas kepercayaan Anda pada PT Kereta Api Indonesia. Sampai jumpa di perjalanan berikutnya. Dear passengers, in a few moments, we'll arrive at Kroya Station. If you end your trip at Kroya Station, please prepare yourself and check your belongings. For your own safety, it is forbidden to open the train's door before the train completely stops. Thank you for choosing PT Kereta Api Indonesia. See you on the next trip. Pelanggan yang kami hormati, pintu keluar berada di sebelah kiri dari arah kedatangan kereta. Terima kasih. Dear passengers, the exit door is on the left of the train's arrival. Thank you.
Oh, what the? Where did those kids come from? The heck? Well, from the way they are lining up, it kinda looks like they are about to get into our car. Hopefully they are not. This peaceful vibe was too good to lose, man.
Jajan berdua sih sama Mbak Sila.
Passengers, the exit door is on the left of the train's arrival. Thank you.
Yep, as you can probably hear, they made it into our car. Good thing I'm well trained for this kind of vibe. Years of handling my niece and my nephew are finally paying off. Thank God, this is nothing new for me. I got this. It's all good. Anyway, it's just 45 more minutes. I can do this. From the looks of it, these kids are probably on a school field trip. Maybe learning about public transportation, especially trains, I guess. It's kind of nice to see actually. They are accompanied by their teachers, making sure everything stays under control. A little noisy, yeah, sure, but also kind of wholesome. And another reason they probably hop on at Kroya Station, if I'm remembering correctly, is because there is a special fare for the road from Kroya to Cilacap. That means the ticket's super cheap, which makes it perfect for group trips like this. Budget friendly, educational, and just the right length of travel time. Honestly, a pretty smart move though. My car was like half empty before and now it's full with these kids, man. Damn.
Di stasiun Gumilir, periksa dan teliti kembali barang bawaan Anda. Jangan sampai ada yang tertinggal atau tertukar di dalam kereta. Pintu keluar berada di sebelah kiri dari kedatangan kereta api. Stasiun Gumilir.
Right, we are now at Gumilir Station. We'll be staying here a little longer because we need to wait for the Kamandaka train to arrive. The track here is still a single line, so the trains have to take turns. Once Kamandaka arrives, both our trains will leave Gumilir Station together, side by side.
Oh, keretaku.
Yup, that whistle, along with the green signal, means it's time for our train to start moving again. We will be arriving at our final stop, Cilacap Station, very soon. So, to wrap things up, riding the Joglo Smart Tour train to Yogyakarta and back has been a fun and comfortable experience. To be honest, the schedule from Yogyakarta is also quite friendly. It departs at 10:20 a.m., which gives you enough time to get ready and enjoy breakfast before leaving. And if you are in a rush, no worries, you can always order food and drinks on board. This train used the first generation premium coaches, and honestly, they are still pretty comfy. Although, in my opinion, the stainless steel coaches feel a bit better overall, just from my experience. But yeah, I guess that's it for this trip. Looking forward to the next adventure. See you next time.
Selamat siang, pelanggan yang kami hormati. Sesaat lagi kereta api Joglo Semarang-Karto akan tiba di tujuan akhir stasiun Cilacap. Periksa dan teliti kembali barang bawaan Anda, jangan sampai ada yang tertinggal atau tertukar di dalam kereta. Pintu keluar berada di sebelah kiri dari kedatangan kereta api. Stasiun tujuan akhir, stasiun Cilacap.